Want to know the best way to start Claude Cowork? Don't start with prompts. Start by telling it what's frustrating you. In this video, I'll show you the 3 things you should do in Claude Cowork so it can start doing the real work for you. Claude Cowork is different. Before we go any further, let's make it clear what Claude Cowork is. It's not just normal Claude chat. Regular Claude chat is like regular ChatGPT and Gemini. But Claude Cowork is much more than that. It's a desktop-based version designed to help you carry out multi-step work. It's meant for situations where you want Claude to help you organize, prepare, build, or carry something through instead of just giving you a text response. The difference is huge. If regular Claude feels like a smart assistant you can talk to, Claude Cowork is the 160 IQ teammate you can actually hand things to. We're moving away from AI as a tool you occasionally ask for help and toward AI as something that can take real work off your plate. Getting Claude Cowork to work on your computer is pretty easy. It just requires these 3 simple steps. First, install the Claude Desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer. Just go to claude.com/download. Then sign in with a paid Claude plan. The Pro plan gets you both regular Claude Chat and Claude Cowork for about $20 a month. After that, inside the desktop app, switch over to the Cowork tab. That's where Claude can begin helping with more active multi-step tasks. And one quick note on privacy. You stay in control of what Claude can actually access and do. Cowork asks for permission before accessing applications, and Anthropic, Claude's parent company, says you control which local files Claude can access. My advice is simple. Start small, be selective, and only grant access to files or apps you actually want it to use. Now, here's where most people have been doing things wrong. They think the real way to win with AI is to become some sort of prompting expert. They think they need a perfect 3-part instruction with the right persona, the right task explained, the right magic words. But we're moving past that quickly. The big shift is this: stop trying to talk to AI like a programmer. Start talking to it like a manager. Stop giving it tiny, isolated tasks and start giving it workflows that need to be regularly completed. Interestingly, this is where things get surprisingly simple because it's so easy to start using it effectively. The best first move on your part is to start complaining. Your daily frustrations are where the best automations begin. Start complaining to Cowork about the problems you're having difficulty with. This should be easy because everybody already knows how to do that. Just type or speak into your computer's built-in microphone and tell Claude what's annoying you. You might say, "I can't figure out how to get this thing done. I feel stressed before meetings because I never feel fully prepared. Every morning, I waste time trying to figure out what matters first." You don't need clever prompts here. Just talk to Cowork and tell it what's making your work harder than it needs to be. The second thing I want you to do is this: ask Claude to ask you questions. This is one of the smartest beginner moves because it removes the pressure of trying to explain everything perfectly. You do not need the perfect prompt. Claude can help build the workflow. If you're not sure what to say or type, that's fine. Let Claude help you figure it out. Simply say, "Claude, ask me questions so you can help me build the right workflow for this problem." That changes the experience completely. Now, Claude is helping you discover the workflow instead of waiting for you to describe it perfectly from the start. You just need to know what's bothering you and then let Claude interview you to uncover the right solution. Now let's begin with something useful. For a lot of people, one of the smartest places to start is creating what I call a high agency daily intelligence brief. This is not a simple morning summary. It's a focused, personalized briefing designed to keep you informed about what has changed in the last 48 hours, what trends are emerging, and why those developments matter specifically to you. Claude helps you spot what matters before anyone else does. Instead of waking up and manually checking 5 different sources, you let Claude help gather the signals that actually matter, filter out the noise, and give you a sharper sense of what's happening in your world and where things may be heading. This is an example of what you could tell Claude Cowork to get you started. You could ask it to track the most relevant developments in your industry and related fields, identify the biggest trends or shifts from the previous 48 hours, explain why those developments matter based on who you are and the work you do, and give you a short summary of the most important things you should be thinking about today. Give it a try. But if you just like to copy and paste a clear set of instructions to get your morning brief, I put a copy of this prompt in the description below for you. The point is, build something genuinely useful. You are moving from random prompting to delegated awareness. You are teaching Claude to monitor your world, spot what matters, and help you think ahead. Again, get this one working for you today. Now, if you liked this video so far or found it helpful, please give it a like or leave a comment. It really helps the channel. Also, subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. So here's my challenge to you. Get Claude Cowork, tell it what's frustrating you, and then ask it to ask you questions. From there, create one useful workflow that helps you stay more informed, more focused, and more prepared. And for more content just like this, click this video right here.